The Quartet Premium Workstation Privacy Screen, the ultimate Do Not Disturb sign. Minimize interruptions. Increase concentration. The #1 complaint among people working in cubicles is a lack of privacy. Often it takes up to 4 times longer than the interruption itself to return to the same level of concentration. The average worker is interrupted up to 73 times a day, including phone calls, email, conversations, and those quick questions that are not so quick. But with the Quartet Premium Privacy Screen, you'll stay focused. It's the ultimate Do Not Disturb sign. Finally, think clearly and get things done. The easy gliding wheels give you the stability and durability you need to effortlessly slide the screen open and closed, blocking interruptions and letting you get more work done. The translucent polycarbonate screen won't block natural light and will let you get a glimpse of what's going on outside of your cubicle as others see how busy you are inside. Broadcast messages with the dry erase message board with built-in marker tray. The customizable nameplate identifies you or your department. Designed to last for years of continuous use, each privacy screen is built with a brushed anodized aluminum frame and die-cast corners to add strength and durability. The premium privacy screen is easy to install. The universal mounting system can be mounted to the right or left side of your cubicle opening. It is designed to work on standard-sized cubicle panels measuring 65 inches tall and 1 1/4 to 3 1/4 inches thick. It includes 4-inch leg extenders to increase privacy in cubicles taller than 68 inches. The Quartet Premium Privacy Screen will seamlessly blend into any office environment. Just clamp to the outside of your cubicle wall and slide open and closed to create the distraction-free zone you need. Accomplish more with Quartet Premium Workstation Privacy Screens.